Yeah, hello guys. This is Peter CUI Spytech. Today I'm gonna be showing us how we can connect our WP SMTP with our WP form. Yes, the other time I actually show us how we can connect our WP SMTP with Google Cloud Console, which is Google API. So today, to make use of this application, we are going to connect it with our WP form to receive message or to receive mail when clients fill in our form on our website. So today I'm going to be showing us, you can see I've already connected the WP SMTP mailer to this website. So right now I want to connect it with WP form. So to do that, I'm going to open the next tab from WP form here. So from WP form, you take it in as much I've already connected to this, in as much I've already connected WP SMTP to your website, it has already been automatically connected with your WP form. You don't have to connect it again. So it will be there already. So the next thing is to create your form, first form. So I want to show you how you set up the emails you want to be receiving on your form. But you have to use pro version. You can say we are using light. So to get a pro version of each of the plugins you want to be using, you can actually inbox me. I'm going to send you a Telegram link where you can get pro version of each plugins for free. So now let's dive into it. You click on add new button. So after you click on add new plugin, we're just going to add new form. We're just going to use any actual form we just get, so we don't have to waste much of our time. I just want to make the video as fast as I can because I still get some other clients' projects to get done. If you have any problem with the WP SMTP I actually showed you the other time, kindly let me know so we can create a new video for you guys so you can get a better education on how to connect your WP form with your WP SMTP. So today I will just speak a template so that it will be fast, you understand? So that we don't have to waste much of our time. So after you choose a template, or you can just use any, or you set it up yourself, depending on how you want to be set, how you want it to be set up. You understand? So after that, I will not have. I don't want to design anything. I will just have to go to the settings section. So that is just the form. Just we just have to go to the settings section to set up the notification. So you click on that notification center. So you scroll down, you can see the you can cancel that is not actually something we actually talking about here. So you can say that it's choose out the admin email address. So if you want to change the email address, you can cancel that and put in the email address you want to be using. Then the second one is the business name. You can see that the name has been forced to be used or from the SMTP. You can check it down there. You can see that it has been forced to cancel it being forced. You can uncheck that button and it will allow you to change the name you want to be using. So the next is the email address for the business. You can say it allow lot. We can actually change the name so that you'll be able to change the name. Same thing as the email address for the form. You can change it as well. The email address you want to be received, you want to be used to receive the form. You can change it right there. But you have to check the other one we are using before. So the other side you can see we what are the things you want to be getting? First thing is to reply from the email address. Then the second thing is to receive all field. What do I mean by this all field? If you check the form, we actually have some kind of field that are there. So we want to be receiving, we have names, we have phone numbers, we have email, we have comment. We want to receive all the field. And the other side is we have SCB. SCB, you can actually use it for your to document your client's information, but you don't have a pro version, you can actually use it, but you can't use a free version. To get a pro version of each of those, to get a pro version of this particular form, you can actually join my Telegram channel where you can get free version of each of the provide or pro plugins on the WordPress website. That is how we actually set it up, and that is as simple as that. So if you have not watched the video of how we connect the API with the WP SMTP, you can actually watch out for my video and see how it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Peter. I'll see you guys fight. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.